Benefits of Rhodiola with source. Benefits: can decrease stress, can fight fatigue, could help reduce symptoms of depression, improves brain function, can improve exercise performance, may help control diabetes, may have anti-cancer properties. Now foods, Rhodiola review. Description: Adaptogenic herb. 3% standardized extract. Helps body to adapt to stress of daily life. Non-GMO. A dietary supplement. Vegetarian, vegan. Botanicals, herbs. Family owned since 1968. GMP Quality Assured. Suggested use: take 1 capsule 1 to 2 times daily on an empty stomach. Other ingredients: cellulose, capsule, cellulose powder, silica and magnesium stearate, vegetable source. Not manufactured with wheat, gluten, soy, milk, egg, fish, shellfish or tree nut ingredients. Produced in a GMP facility that processes other ingredients containing these allergens. Warnings. Caution, for adults only. Consult physician if pregnant, nursing, taking medication, or have a medical condition. Keep out of reach of children. Do not eat freshness packet. Keep in bottle. Natural color variation may occur in this product. Store in a cool, dry place after opening. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.